Hey coffee enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of Turkish coffee with the Arzum Okka Minio automatic Turkish coffee machine. Designed specifically for the US market, this sleek black and silver machine brings the authentic taste of traditional Turkish coffee to your kitchen. First off, let's talk about convenience. With the capacity to brew up to 4 cups of rich, flavorful Turkish coffee in one go, the Okka Minio makes it easy to whip up a batch for yourself or to share with friends and family. And thanks to its smart overflow prevention system, you can set it and forget it. The machine automatically shuts off once your coffee reaches the perfect temperature, so you can go about your morning routine without worrying about overbrewing. One of the standout features of the Okka Minio is its washable pot. While you'll want to avoid getting the connector part wet, the pot itself can be easily hand-washed under running water, making cleanup a breeze. Now, let's talk about taste. The Okka Minio's carefully designed heater mimics the slow cooking process favored by Turkish coffee enthusiasts, resulting in a bold and robust flavor that's sure to satisfy even the most discerning palate. Whether you enjoy your coffee strong and black or with a hint of sugar, this machine delivers consistently delicious results every time. In terms of design, the Okka Minio is compact and stylish, with dimensions of 6 inches in diameter, 6 inches in width, and 10 inches in height. It's made from durable plastic and weighs just 3 pounds, making it easy to move around your kitchen or take with you on the go. Overall, if you're looking to experience the authentic taste of Turkish coffee from the comfort of your own home, the Arzum Okka Minio automatic Turkish coffee machine is a must-have. With its convenient features, easy cleanup, and delicious results, it's sure to become a staple in your morning routine. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.